100 ways to transform digital marketing with AI and automation. Today, I'm going to share with you a trick of how to leverage ChatGPT to optimize your existing web page SEO performance. Having your website rank high in search engine results means a consistent, steady flow of organic and free traffic. However, getting your SEO rock can be challenging. Hiring professionals can be expensive, and as a small business owner, you may lack of the necessary skills to master SEO. The common outcome is investing money and effort without achieving the desired results. Now we can leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT to make AI tools our dedicated SEO expert. By connecting ChatGPT Plus with Webpilot, SEO Assistant, and Zapier plugins, we can quickly optimize web pages and content. The optimized content can be saved in documents for further team collaboration and review. First, you need a ChatGPT Plus account. Open a new conversation in your Plus account, select the GPT-4 model, and use the plugins available in the plugin store: Webpilot, SEO Assistant, and Zapier. Webpilot enables ChatGPT to access the internet, while Zapier acts as a link between GPT and tools like Notion, Google Doc, Evernote, or even WordPress blogs to save the result. SEO Assistant focuses more on conducting keyword research and providing SEO suggestions. Before we sending out the prompt, we need to configure our Zapier actions. Open the Zapier plugin and connect Zapier with your Notion, Google Doc, or Evernote account. For example, select the action as Create Notion Page to create a Notion record, or create document from text to save it in Google Doc. And then we get back to ChatGPT. Input the following prompt to instruct GPT to browse the link, perform keyword research, and optimize the content based on SEO suggestions. Please help me optimize this article to make it more SEO friendly. Here we can insert the web link URL. The keyword I am interested are, so you can put your keywords here. Please conduct keyword research and provide suggestions to optimize the article for SEO. Draft the article and save it to my Google Doc or Notion, Evernote, OneNote, OneDrive, you name it. You can select the tool you often use here to save the result. Wait a few seconds, GPT will start browsing the link, conduct keyword research, and rewrite the article based on SEO optimization suggestion. Finally, you can review it in ChatGPT. Now you can use this trick to optimize SEO for website or blog. Give it a try. If you are interested in digital marketing, AI, and automation, subscribe to my channel to get more updates on it.